Hi, I'm Anissa, and I walked Hadrian's Wall back in 2024 with my husband Russell, and it was an amazing experience. But it's not without its challenges. Of course, there's the physical aspect of doing the walk itself, and then there's all the work that you have to do with training and planning everything. And one of the big things is figuring out what to pack. It's really not easy when it's your first time doing a long distance walk. So I've created a tool that's going to make it a lot easier. And it's called Your Hadrian's Wall Walk Personal Packing List because it's a packing list that's personalized to your trip. Now, how it works is you answer 11 questions about yourself and your trip, and then it just generates the list based on that. There's two versions, a mobile version and a desktop version. They're basically the same, except the desktop version allows you to print it. I'm going to show you a little demo of the mobile version so you can see how it works. And then if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm happy to answer them.
Okay, so when you purchase the mobile packing list, you'll get a PDF with a QR code that you can just scan on your phone, and then you will get to this website. And the first thing is you're going to save it to your phone, and it's different if you're on an iPhone or on Android, but it has the instructions. I'm on iPhone, so I am going to tap the share icon, tap view more, tap add to home screen. There you see the little backpack icon, add, then it's there on my home page. Now we're going to answer the questions so that we can get our personalized list. And it doesn't store any of this information. So my first name, Anissa. Let me spell it correctly. I'm going to walk in the summer. I'm from England, or I'm coming from England. I'm a woman. It's going to take me 7 days to walk. I'm going to take one rest day. How many days am I going to spend traveling to and from the walk? 1 day there and 1 day home, so that's 2 days. And then are you going to do any sightseeing before or after? Yeah, I'm going to do an extra day in Newcastle. Where am I staying? I'm not a camper, so I'm going to go with the B&Bs. Are you planning to do photography? I'm fine with just phone photos. Are you bringing a dog? No, I don't even own a dog. Okay. So then it gives you the chance to confirm your answers. So if you wanted to change things, like say I realized, oh, actually I want to stay an extra day, so I'm going to change my sightseeing days to 2. And then it goes back there. And then you can build your list, and then it comes up with a whole long list of lots of detail things, basically anything you could think of. Now, I'm not a minimalist. I'm always impressed with those people that are. But if you want to be a minimalist, you can just click this essentials only, and it just only keeps what's essential. So it cuts down the list by quite a bit. Or maybe you want to go through and you want to just eliminate a few different items, like maybe you don't do liner socks, so you can skip that. And then you can just come back to this anytime you want and check off as you pack. And then you will have everything that you need ready for your Hadrian's Wall walk.